Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Razer and Fossil introduced the Razer X Fossil Generation 6 smartwatch for gamers. So friend, Razer announced its collaboration with leading watch manufacturer Fossil to launch a limited edition smartwatch, the Razer X Fossil Generation 6 smartwatch. And friend, the co-branded wearable leverage Fossil's most innovative smartwatch platform to date and highly anticipated Fossil Generation 6. And friend, it also features 3 exclusive Razer watch species including analog, text and Chroma, as well as 2 stylish interchangeable straps. And friend, it will be launching globally this month for $329 in a limited quantity of just 1337 units. And friend, the generation 6 is the first smartwatch powered by Snapdragon Wear 4100 plus platform, providing user upgrades in speed and performance including faster application load time, highly responsive user experience and more efficient power consumption. And friend, with an overall 30% increased performance and running Wear OS by Google, the smartwatch does way faster to give gamers a fashionable cutting edge. And friend, this smartwatch also boasts a wellness features as note to both brands commits to wellness and comes only few months after a launch of Razer's dedicated wellness initiative for gamers champions start from within. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.